Yeah, late night freestyle. Jay Carter coming at ya. La 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 la. Letting y'all know that I got no worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. Living the free life, no worries. I'm living the free life. Got no worries, I'm living the free life. No worries, I'm living the free life. La 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 la. Okay, I'm living a free life, yeah. What's up, what's up, what's up? It's the late night call. What's up, what up, peoples? What up, yeah. Freestyling all the time. I'm doing my thing, y'all. Keeping it real. What's up to Deb Marie? What's up to Bashira? I say what's up to all my peoples. Yeah. La 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 la. What is going on and on and on and on and on and on? What is going on and on and on and on and on and on? It's that late night freestyle. Late night freestyle. Okay, let me go ahead and say a couple of words. Let me go ahead and say a couple of words. I got no words, no words, no words, no words. Lil Wayne, what's up? What's up to French Montana? La 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 la. What are we gonna do tonight? 'Cause it's time for that late night freestyle. What we gonna do? What's up to my baby girl Elisa? You know I miss ya. La 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 la. Good night, peoples.